In this video, we are going to discuss about the key concepts of availability management. So, what are the key concepts of availability management? The key concepts are availability, reliability, maintainability, serviceability, vital business function, high availability, fault tolerance. So, what is availability? Availability, by definition, if we go, the ability of a service, component or a configuration item to perform its agreed expected function whenever it is required. So, usually expressed in the terms of percentages. So, availability is equal to actual service time minus downtime into 100 by 100. So, actual service time, if you can take an example, actual service time is 10 minutes and downtime is 2 minutes. So, 10 minutes minus 2 minutes is equal to, you get the availability of the services to the customers. This is just an example, and in many MNCs or in any big companies you can actually see these in the documents about the actual service time and also about the actual downtime based on the SLAs. So, coming to the next key concept is reliability. That implies how long the specified service is available to the required period without any interruption. That means the trusting the service or trusting the line, how long it will be available to the customer without any interruptions or failures. So, if you take a network team or a network which needs to be accessed for the drives, for the network drives on and everything, the availability of the network drives and the connection establishing between those network drives should be very important, so that the documents which are stored there can be accessed each and every time whenever it is required. So, you can take a best example for reliability here. So, coming to the serviceability, ability of a third party supplier to provide the expected service to service provider. That means a third party supplier who is providing, as I spoke about the network drives or the networks. So, if any network provider is providing us a network, if you can take an example of any broadband network who is providing us a proper broadband. So, the third party supplier should be providing us the continuous service, so that he can service it whenever there is a problem occurred here. So, coming to maintainability or recoverability, how easy it is maintained or recovered a service, a component or a configuration item. So, how easy, like how can get back or recover the service back online. If you take an example of a broadband, as I said, so how easy you can recover it and how easy you can keep that service access to the customers very easy. So, coming here, availability can be proactive. So, it can be proactive and recommended or reactive. So, it can also be reactive, like it can provide the excess services, or else sometimes it cannot provide the services also. So, it depends on the all these key concepts, how the availability comes into picture here. So, the next key concept is vital business function. So, VBF, a critical function or a business process. So, based on this availability, reliability and serviceability, a business process or a function can be prepared and it plays a vital role. So, by that name it got a vital business function name here. So, coming to high availability, minimizing the impact of a component failure. So, here for the high availability, if any service or a component or a configuration item has a high availability, so minimizing the impact of its failure comes under this key concept. So, what about fault tolerance? The ability of a service to continue to be available even after component's failure. That means you can take a best example of a storage device, like if you can take an example of an EMC square box here. So, it also has a spare disk. So, the spare disk, whenever any disk got failed, the data from that disk will be transferred to this spare disk, and from here the availability has a very important role by this fault tolerance. We can decrease the fault or we can decrease the downtime by this fault tolerance key concept. In the next video, we will be looking after the availability metrics.